know how to choose the best sofa for your living room? Well, interior designers mainly focuses on 5 major points when they style your living room. Measure the area of your living room. Depending upon the available space, we will decide the size of our sofa. Also ensure that you have enough space left to freely move around after putting your couch. Make sure your sofa fits into the space very beautifully. It should neither be too small or too big in size. Look for how much seating space you want to add in your living room. Do you require a big 8-seater sofa or you need a simple 5-seater? There are many fabric options available in the market for making a sofa. Linens are the best option if you want to add that sophisticated and luxurious look to your home. But they are not easy to maintain, wrinkles can easily come on them, also stains are much visible because of their light color. If you want to add some masculine and bold touch to your living room, you can go for a leatherite sofa style. But if you have pets in your home and also you have naughty children who love to play with sharp objects, then please avoid these sofas. Also, a leather sofa is not comfortable if you have humid climate, you can sweat a lot on them. It's better to go with a polyester or vinyl sofa if you don't want to invest a lot. They are durable and easily available in the market in various designs. You can accessorize your sofa with cushion and decorative throws. Now, which color sofa you should choose becomes a big question because what you want and what you get in market is totally opposite. So it's always better to go with darker shades of color. Durability also plays an important role when you're going to purchase a new sofa. Sofa made from hardwood are the best to buy, but at the same time they are costly also. Now the question is how to find that whether sofa has some strength or not. When you go to any showroom, just try to lift the sofa, see whether you feel some weight or not. Last but not the least, the ambience of your living room. A lonely sofa never creates a welcoming atmosphere in your home. How accurately you designed your living room with beautiful color combination also plays an important role. Play with beautiful decoration ideas to style your personal space.